Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the commands related to process management Unix commands. So let me open the two screens that we need. This is a Unix command shell. So see, either we can run our commands on the Unix command line shell or the Linux command line shell. Both will support almost all the commands that are in the Unix as well as the Linux. So if you are having the Linux system, then also you can run these all commands. So there is no problem. Okay. So now see the process management command how we can create the process and how we can see everything that you see in this window. So let's start. I'm opening my directory. So to perform all the operations in the directory, so cd Karishma. Now let's go for the next step. Next step is first you have to create the process for performing the process related operation like ps, stop, kill, pkill, everything. So I will create a process within sleep 300. Control Z. Okay, so see, I have created one process that is sleep 300 and then I pressed Ctrl Z. So it's showing this is the process ID that is 1, this is stopped, and this is sleep 300. Okay, for example, if I want to see all the processes PS, so when I did PS, so see, it's showing that command here in the level PID and all the process whichever is in our system, so it is showing that. So what is the use of this PS? That means PS will display all the commands, all the ongoing process in our system. So using PS command, we can see that. Now let's see the top command. So when we did the top command, see it is showing us all the details like what it's showing. It means we will display real-time view of system process and the resource usage. Okay. So see as you can see here, we can see the load average time, we can see the CPU time, we can see the memory used, memory free, and everything shared buffered, everything we can see here using the help of the top command. Okay, so if you want to see every details of our system like how much memory used, how much memory is free, and everything, so we can just use the top command. So next let's go for the kill command, like kill, and then we have to use the PID. For example, we have created the command here, its PID that is level, that is sleep command. So kill double one. Okay, so now let's see again our process is there or not. Terminate process using their process ID PIDs. Okay, so we are having this process ID that is root level. So I think I did some mistakes. So let me try again. Kill percentage. No such job found. Then first you have to create some test process. Like let's see again. So let's see again in this. So I will create again sleep 300 and we have to add enter. So now let's see all the process. So in all the process we are having the two processes now. One is 16 and one is this. So let's kill the process 16. Let's see any that is 16. Wait a second. So see we're having the two jobs. It's a real PID that is this like 2. Okay. So we have to kill 2. Showing no such process exists. PID we have to pass. PID that means we are having the 16 here. See, so what it's saying that 2 that is terminated. Okay, so we got this output that is 2 is terminated. So when we did kill 16, okay, so like this we can kill the process. Now let's create the process all process again. So this is the sleep 300. So let's see using jobs we can see okay. So this first one that is already stopped. Okay, so let's see the other one that is pkill means that sends the signal to the process based on the name or the other attributes. So let's see pkill sleep. So it's showing 1 plus killed, sleep killed. Okay. So it sends the signal and then it's showing us that this is killed. So see, as we can see here, there is no source process exists. So let's create the process again, sleep 300 and I'm creating the process again. So let's use kill all. So kill all minus, sorry, kill all, we have to use the 9 minus 9 and I will use sleep. Okay, so it is showing 1 plus killed. So let's see, does it exist or not? So see, it's also killed, so there is nothing here. Okay, so like this, we can use the pkill command as well as the kill all command. Pkill command means it will kill that process, where the kill all means it will kill all processes that are currently active in our system. So I hope till here you have understood everything that what we are trying to do. So let's see again 300 and okay. So I created the process again. So let's see the next thing that is renice. What's meant by renice means changes the priority of running process. Let's try this one. Renice minus n 10. What's the PID? That we have to check the PID first, right? So let's for checking the PID, let's run the process PS. So sleep 300 PID is 25. So what I have to do? Okay, 25, right? So renice minus n 10, and we are having 29. So we'll get the priority for 29 process. I do this process. It's queuing. It's 25. Sorry. Okay, it's 25. So see, its old priority was 25, and the new priority that it set is 10. Let's see if the priority that has changed or not. So the priority it's not showing here because this is just PID. Priority means it will go to the different part. Means we are giving the priority to process that the process that should run on the better priority. Okay, so until here all the commands are done. So now let's go for the nice command. Nice command means it runs the command with modified scheduling priority. Means for example we have modified the scheduling like we are having the sleep 300. So what we have to do is nice minus n 10, and then command is sleep 300 minus n 10. 1 second. So let's just use sleep. What is changed? See, it showed all the things that multiple binary uses sleep and pause hold time equal to the total of the arguments given, with each arch that can have an optional suffix seconds, minutes, hours, and days. So like this, what we did is we run the command with the scheduled priority. Okay. So till here, all the things are done. Like next is PS tree is display running process as a tree. So let's try this one. PS3. Okay, so when we use PS3, as you can see here, how it is showing here, it's showing it in the form of tree. First of all, see, there is one whole line, and then it's showing like this. I hope you all know the tree because we learned the tree in okay, so because we learned the trees in our almost all subjects. Okay, so this is tree. Now next is p grep command, that means it searches for the process by the name or the other attribute. So first of all, let's search p grep. I will use the name sleep. Okay, so sleep PID is 25. So it searched our process with its name. So let's try and see if it searches with the PID. No, it is not searching with the PID because the PID that can be changed. But with the name, we can check the process, if it's active or not, and everything. Okay, so let me clear this terminal. Okay, then let's go for the next process. Next, we are having first of all jobs. We are having so see jobs means it's active jobs and the status in the current shell. So let me print all the jobs. So at present we are having one job that is sleep 300 and it's in the running state. Okay, so now let's use background percentage one. So when we are using background percentage one, what it is, it puts the job in the background. Means it will run in the background. So it puts the job in the background. So the sleep it has put in the background. Let's use foreground. Foreground as well as job ID. What it will do is it will bring the background job in the foreground. Okay. So percentage one. So it's showing us sleep 300. Okay. So what it will do, it will places this job. Uh, it will place this job in the foreground. Okay. So now let's do other. Next command that nohup. Nohup runs the command immune to hangups with output to a specified file. And let's see nohup command and let me sleep and see what it is done. It is a nohup appending output to nohup.out. One plus it's done nohup sleep. So nohup what it is, it hangs up with the output to a specified file. Okay, so last disown means disown removes those from the shell. Means disown. What is our job ID? That is percentage one. This okay. So in this SSH means we are able to find this own command. So we just have to run it this own. Okay. So this own command is unable to find. So but if you have to run that command, that we can run that command using this. I'm using the WSL, that means the Linux command interface. That's why it's this command that is not found in this. So in the next video, we're going to see the grep commands. We're going to see the grep commands. Why we are using the grep command to search anything in the file. So we'll see this one in the next video. For example, I will show you an example in this video only. For example, I'm creating a file that is CAT greater than symbol file file one. 1 second. See file one dot txt. Okay. So let me write new A, new B, new C, new D. Hello, Sakshi. Okay. Now I will come out of this file. If I want to search any letter with a new a. For how we can do this, we can do it like using grep, and then we have to write the file name here, file.txt, and we have to create a brackets like this in which we have to write new a to c. 1 second. It will come like file.txt. File1.txt. Okay, so it is not file.txt, it's file1.txt. Okay, so as you can see, using grep commands, how we found the letters like grep, new. What I said is first letter that should be new. So it's like new A, new B, new C we are having. Okay. Second, I gave all the parameters like A. Sorry. So then I gave the parameters in like this: A to C means A, B, C. You have to search for A, B, C, like new A, new B, or new C. If it found that, then search there and gave us the output. If it didn't found that, then gave us the output. Okay. So like this, we have to find the data. Like using grep commands, you can find the data in this way. So the next video, I will show you almost all the grep commands using which how we can find all the data. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, do subscribe my video and share this video to your friends so that it will help for them also for the exam purpose also. It's very important for the practical exam purpose because they're giving steps to questions in the practical. So thanks for watching my video.